Are you looking for the best robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the best robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni. The Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni vacuums thoroughly, with strong suction power and efficient LiDAR navigation. It also mops with a roller that refreshes itself as it works to limit cross-contamination. After each cleaning run, the base station empties the robot's dustbin and then washes and dries the mop with hot water and hot air. In short, it does everything you want from a high-end hybrid, and while not cheap, it costs less than a few other premium models on this list. If you're willing to pay a premium for a 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop that effectively cleans your floors and maintains itself, the Deebot X8 Pro Omni is our top pick. With efficient navigation, long battery life, and the ability to store multiple maps, it's a good fit for large, multi-level homes. It handles pet hair without tangles, so it's suitable for homes with shedding animals. Its predecessor, the Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni, previously held this spot and is still an excellent option, but the X8 Pro Omni updates the mop design for better hardwood cleaning, increases the suction power, and adds a separate detergent dispenser for mopping solution and an extendable side brush. Number 2. iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. The Roomba J9 Plus uses a camera and machine learning technology to recognize and avoid obstacles as it works. It also learns which rooms in your home tend to be dirtier, and will prioritize those places first on future runs. After it learns its way around, it will navigate your home with ease and efficiency, moving gracefully around chair legs and into corners. The Roomba J9 Plus series also offers best-in-class obstacle avoidance, with the ability to steer clear of common household objects like slippers, pet toys, and pet waste better than the competition. When it recognizes an obstacle, it snaps a picture that you can review in the app to easily create a keep-out zone for future runs. Add in strong cleaning power and long battery life, and the Roomba J9 Plus checks all the boxes for a premium robot vacuum. If you want a premium standalone robot vacuum with standout obstacle avoidance and a poop evasion guarantee, the Roomba J9 Plus is the choice for you. Number 3. TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus. The TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus robot vacuum and mop brings important features like LiDAR navigation and a self-emptying dustbin to an affordable price. These features significantly improve convenience and efficiency, and the RV30 Max Plus backs up its feature list with capable cleaning prowess. It's particularly adept at capturing large crumbs and pet hair. You can control it with an app or voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, and its mop attachment does a decent job of scrubbing your floors. The Tapo RV30 Max Plus is an affordable 2-in-1 robot floor cleaner that doesn't feel like a compromise. It has you covered for all the basics. Number 4. Dreame X30 Ultra. The Dreame X30 Ultra robot mop and vacuum is a solid performer and practically maintenance-free. As expected for a high-end model, the Dreame X30 Ultra empties its dustbin when it returns to its base station. Like a few select others, it also washes and dries its own mop pads. Beyond that, the base station even washes its own basin, taking one more chore off your plate. It also takes a unique approach to managing its mop pads, as it can automatically remove them when it senses high-pile carpeting or at your command, then reattach them when necessary. While cleaning, the X30 Ultra vacuums with an impressive 8,300 pascals of suction and extends its mop pads to reach under cabinets and furniture. After each mopping run, the base automatically refills the robot's internal tank with fresh water and adds a dose of detergent so it's ready for the next job. If money is no object and you want a robot vacuum and mop that requires very little help from you, the Dreame X30 Ultra is a top contender. It's our recommendation if you have high-pile carpets that can't get wet or you're simply willing to pay more to minimize cross-contamination. Number 5. iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. The iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus is the first floor cleaning robot with a fully retractable mop. When the pricey 2-in-1 detects carpet, it automatically lifts its mopping plate out of the way, rests it on top of the device where it has no risk of wetting carpets, and continues vacuuming. By comparison, Roborock's similar Viberize mop lifting system only works well on low-pile carpets because it doesn't lift high enough to avoid medium and high-pile rugs. The Roomba J7 Plus series also features a self-emptying dustbin, AI-powered obstacle avoidance, and a poop evasion guarantee. With all the standard Roomba J7 Plus features plus mopping abilities, this combo model is an excellent option for homes with a mix of hard floors and carpeting. Some high-end hybrids require less maintenance, but the Combo J7 Plus is the best option if you have light-colored carpeting thanks to its fully retractable mop.